Hey guys, so we're back today with a continuation of our King treatment series of the services that men get at the spa. And this client actually gets laser hair removal, and this is one of his areas where he gets the hair removed from his buttocks and from the inside near the anal area. So we already know his specifications because he's been coming for almost a year. As you can see, it's super clear. Why he gets just this part done, that is not our concern. We are here to do services. I know that's going to be a question of why he didn't get his legs and get the buttocks, but that is what he likes. He does not jump, he doesn't move, and the only part that's a little uncomfortable to him is when I go between the cheeks near the rectum area where he has hair there as well. So this treatment is really fast, it's really quick. It's actually one of the services that we get requested for men a lot. And you see he doesn't have any groans because he uses the purify bar on the area to make sure that he doesn't have any breakouts on his buttocks while he's getting the service. Well, while through the treatments of his services in between time. And I know a lot of times you guys ask about videos for laser hair removal and or for extractions on the vaginal area. And the reason why we don't have any is because our clients don't have ingrowns because they use the product line here that is made for ingrown hairs. So clients don't have an issue with having breakouts in their Brazilian areas. Only time we really get people who I can record and extract on is when they're new clients and they have been going somewhere else or they're coming from doing another method of hair removal another place. So again, I'm going to go over the buttocks area. I go in a motion, and I know a lot of times you see people do laser hair removal and they mark with a pen, but I've been doing this for over 10 years. And if you can look at the gel, this is one of the reasons why I use the gel. It allows for comfort, it allows for speed because I'm using a painting method. But if you pay attention to where the gun is going, you'll actually see lines being formed, and I can see the lines as I'm working. So I don't need to go and draw out because I use the paint method. I'm going to do his lower back as well. And now we're going to separate his legs more so we can go between his buttocks near his rectum, which he has hair growth between there as well. So, and then again, this machine is cleaned at the end of every service. It is wiped off for barbicide, properly cleaned. So we've never had any cross-contamination from anyone. And I'm going to do the other side. He does jump a little bit because the skin is more sensitive in this area. See, he's clenching because it's more sensitive there. But he's been a trooper, as you can tell. He's been getting the service for close to a year. And okay, and now we're done. Now it's time for cleanup. And make sure you guys like, subscribe, and send a video to anyone who needs this service or has been talking about it or thinking about getting it, because it's not as bad as you guys think. See you later.